I am not a medical professional. The information provided in this video is for informational purposes. Please consult with your healthcare provider for medical advice. I've been getting several messages regarding some things that are a little confusing to some of you all. So I'm just making a quick video to go over the most common questions that I have been receiving. If you have any questions that you'd like me to answer in another video, please leave them in the comments section below. You can also email me privately. I will have an email link in the description box, and I will try my best to answer all of your questions as soon as I can. One of the questions that I receive quite often is, what is spring water? Spring water flows naturally to the earth's surface from underground springs. Natural spring water is what Dr. Sebi recommends that we drink. There are several brands of spring water to choose from. Just make sure that they are from natural springs. Another question that I get is spring water the same as mineral water? No, spring water is not the same as mineral water, nor is the product that is labeled as alkaline water the same as natural spring water, unless it states that the alkaline water is from a natural spring. Otherwise, it is made by a machine and it is not natural. Should you consume Cmos during a cleanse or after? You can consume Cmos both during a cleanse and after a cleanse. This will ensure that your body receives the necessary nutrients while you are healing. Can you relapse and acquire a disease again after healing? Yes, the body can go back into a disease state if you choose to consume foods and or you are exposed to an environmental factor that is toxic to the body. According to Dr. Sebi, if you continue to consume acidic foods, you will send your body back into an acidic state, which is an ideal environment for disease. You must keep your body in an alkaline state in order to rid the body of disease. If you are consuming acidic foods, or if you are exposed to other factors that produce toxins in the body, such as fillings in the teeth that contain lead, these would be your older fillings. Nowadays, they're using different products. But back when I was younger, the fillings had lead in it, and now they're coming out and speaking more and more about this, but it will put heavy metals into your body. This causes some people to have conditions such as autoimmune disease and other things like that. They're not aware that this is what is causing the condition. That is why most doctors will tell you they don't know the reason that you have autoimmune disease. You just have it. And I'll do a video on that later on. Autoimmune disease is just one thing that can, one condition that can cause a lot of conditions, including thyroid issues, lupus. There are so many to name, that celiac disease. There's so many things that are caused, and it's just under a general umbrella of autoimmune disease. Heavy metal can be one cause, but there are also other things such as digestion issues, leaky gut, so on and so forth. But again, I'll get into that in a later video. When you have things like that, you need to cleanse often, preferably every 3 months, especially if you are not eating an alkaline diet. If you're eating an alkaline diet, you should cleanse for at least 7 days once per year. If not, you will need to cleanse more often because you're constantly putting toxins into your body. How do I know when I have detoxed my body? It's recommended that you fast for anywhere from 14 to 19 days if possible. However, since there are several reasons that a person may not be able to cleanse for that long, it's best to focus on healing and detox as long as you can. Even a 3-day detox will be beneficial to your body. If need be, you can detox for 3 to 7 days once per month until you are healed. You should always follow up your detox with revitalizing herbs and foods. I have also had questions and emails from some of you who want to know where you can get the herbs from. I do currently offer some of the herbs mentioned in the video, or at least most of them. You can get them at alkalinemealideas.com, which will redirect you to the website allnaturalhealing.com. And there are several different herbs that you can choose from. They generally come in smaller quantities because I wanted to make them more affordable. They're about $5. You'll get 1 ounce, which is an actual nice amount of herbs, and should last you roughly 2 weeks to a month, depending on how often you are consuming them. In addition to that, you can also purchase my cookbooks. I have volume 1 and 2 in both ebook and paperback form. Currently, I only have the paperback in the bundle of volume 1 and 2 together. It has the recipes that are listed on the YouTube channel and also some additional recipes that I have not released on this YouTube channel as well. I've also been contacted by email by some of you who are not very comfortable with mixing the herbs or how to take the herbs. I did make a previous video where I went over the ratio for the herbs and the easiest way to take them, and that was in my detox video. However, because I know that some people are just not comfortable with how to put the herbs together, how to take them, I do offer a colon cleanse detox. This is in capsule form that you can take. This will help to cleanse the colon. This is for the colon cleanse only, but I know that there are people who want to also know how to do the total cleanse. This would be to cleanse all of the organs that Dr. Sebi mentions that you need to cleanse, including the colon, the lymphatic system, the kidneys, the liver, the gallbladder, and the skin. So I have a total cleansing package that I have put together. It will include the colon cleanse detox capsules, as well as the additional herbs that you need to make into teas, along with instructions on how to make them into teas. And this will give you the total cleanse. When you're dealing with a specific condition, you will need to follow up this cleanse with the herbs that are specific to that condition. So this is the cleansing part of the detox or healing. You will need to have the revitalizing herbs that you will take afterwards. If you're not sure of what those herbs are, just leave me a comment. Let me know. I will try to incorporate that into a video for you, or I'll just send you a private message and give you a list of the herbs that you'll need. I'm also offering the Feminine Health Nourisher. This is for a lot of my female viewers who have been contacting me about things such as PCOS, fibroids, endometriosis, irregular cycles, and things like that. This is a great combination of herbs that work really well to resolve those issues, and it would be considered one of your revitalizing herbs that you would take after doing your detox, and it works wonders. I personally take this one myself, and I can attest to the fact that it will absolutely help with prolonged menstrual cycles and help to normalize that, especially if you are someone who has been to the doctor and they're trying to put you on birth control, or they're trying to give you an IUD, or even worst case scenario, they are telling you that you will need to have a hysterectomy. I have been through that, and these herbs were able to do for me what the doctor could not do. They did not even know what was going on, and I'm sure some of my female viewers can identify with that. I will be making a video in the future, hopefully the near future, on PCOS, fibroids, and other things that deal with feminine issues. So stay tuned for that. But you can purchase this, give it a try, and please share your feedback in the comments if you would like, as well as on the website. This would really allow other viewers to see how well it's working for you. I like to close as usual by stating that, as Dr. Sebi stated, disease can only exist in an environment that is acidic. Only consistent use of natural botanical remedies will effectively cleanse and detoxify a diseased body. reversing it to its intended alkaline state. I wish you all the best. Take care.